Let's solve this question. 9 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of x equals to 36. So to solve this question is very easy. Within some minutes and seconds you are through. So how do we solve it? Let's write solution. Okay. The first thing that we are going to do here, let's write the question. 9 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x plus 9 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 36. So next thing is to factorize. We are factorizing the value here. So to factorize, we will have what is common at the denominator, that's 9 raised to the power of x. So if you do that, 9 raised to the power of x divided by 9 raised to the power of x, 1. 9 raised to the power of x also divided by 9 raised to the power of x, also 1. 9 raised to the power of x also divided by 9 raised to the power of x, that's also 1. Then divided by the common factor in the denominator is 3 raised to the power of x. Okay, 3 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x, 1. 3 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x, also 1, which is equals to 36. So from here, we can say 9 raised to the power of x into 3, okay, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3, divided by 3 raised to the power of x into 2 is equals to 36. So what do we do next? Let's find a way of eliminating 3 over 2. So to do that, we are going to write 9 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 2. This 3 divided by 2, then we multiply by the inverse, which is 2 divided by 3. So we do the same thing here. That is 6 times 2 divided by 3. So if you do that, 2 we cancel 2, then 3 we also cancel 3. So here also 3 here is 1. How many 3 can we have here? That's 12. Okay, so we are now going to have 9 raised to the power of x divided by 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 2 times 12, that's 24. So we can apply the power rules here, law, that is, they are having the same index here. So we can easily see 9 divided by 3, all of index what? Index x, because they are having the same index. So we combine their index equals to 4. So we divide 3 here is 1, 3 here is 2. Okay, so it means we are going to have 2. Okay, 3 here is 3. So we have 3. Okay, so we have 3 raised to the power of 3 to be equals to 24. So we cannot use indices to solve this question. So what we do here is apply log. So to both sides, log 3 raised to the power of x equals to, we can break this down to be log 3 times 8. Okay, so we can easily have log 3 raised to the power of x equals to log 3 plus log, our 8 can be 2 raised to the power of 3, which also gives us 8. So we are going to apply power rule. Okay, the power rule says if you have log b raised to the power of a, it will be a log b. So we apply the power rules here, we apply it here. So we are going to have x log 3 base of 3 equals to log 3 base of 3 plus you also apply the power rule here, which is 3 log 2 base 3. Okay, log 3 base 3 will give us 1. This is x times 1 equal to log 3 base 3 is 1 plus 3 into log 2 base 3. So what do we do here now? 3x times 1, that gives us x, which is equals to 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3. That's the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. You can also practice this question at home to check if truly you have learned something from this lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.